Hello everyone. Today we will be testing out the newly released GPT-5. The AI release that was hyped so much from OpenAI. Sam Altman even teased it to be a massive leap forward, promising it to be the smartest, fastest, and the most accurate AI so far, capable of reasoning, coding, and handling complex tasks like never before. Now, whenever there is this much hype, we all know that the reaction is going to be intense. I've seen videos from creators and news outlets with all kind of reactions. Some people are impressed, pointing out its coding skills and complex reasoning capabilities. But at the same time, there is also a very strong backlash. They say GPT-5 isn't matching the hype at all, and they are disappointed. So let's explore this firsthand. I will be putting GPT-5 for a series of tests to see where it shines and where it falls back. So to begin with, I'll ask it to write a 150-word LinkedIn post on the importance of time management, right? And while this is getting generated, let me quickly show you this. We have auto, which is by default selected. And then we have fast for instant answers, thinking thinks longer for better answers, and then pro, research grade intelligence. We also got this legacy models, but just GPT-4o. We had seen a lot of backlash on the social media, and one of the reasons being we had only these three options, and based on whatever we select, the answers were coming out differently. And now with the auto option being added, I believe AI can decide what is best suited for the question that we have asked and accordingly respond. Also, the legacy models were not there. Now that they've added just GPT-4o, not really sure how many people will be impressed with this coming back. Anyways, let's head back to our testing and see what is the results that we get. So for the first prompt that we have given, write a 150-word LinkedIn post on the importance of time management. Time management, your hidden superpower. Time is the one resource we can't earn back, and that's true. Yet many of us treat it as unlimited. The truth is, how you spend your time determines the results you create. Good time management isn't about squeezing more tasks into your day. It's about making space for what truly matters. When you plan your priorities, block distractions, and set clear boundaries, you create a structure where productivity thrives. This doesn't just reduce stress, it boosts creativity, improves decision making, and helps you deliver consistent results without burning out. I believe this has come out really well, but I would like your opinion in the comments below. So let's move on to the next test. Let's move on to some research work. And the prompt that I'm going to give is research the impact of remote work on employee productivity, citing up-to-date studies where possible, and write it as a concise professional report, approximately 2 to 3 pages. And I've given some formatting details. So let's hit enter. We're expecting a docs format output. Let's see what it does. And you can see here, thinking longer for a better answer, which means it is right now using thinking model, right? Within the ChatGPT 5. If we don't want it to think, we can also click on this, get a quicker answer, and it will switch to fast mode. So it has thought for 57 seconds, and now it's analyzing whatever it has thought. Let's see what comes out. And if you actually click on this down arrow, you can see that it is doing something like Python code, right? So let's go back, and it gives us the result. Impact of remote work on employee productivity. A concise evidence-based report, August 13, 2025. Executive summary, it gives some pointers to begin with, and then it gives us the details like introduction and scope, purpose, scope, and then what the evidence says. Hybrid work, 2 days per week work from home, and second one is fully remote, 5 days a week work from home. and public sector and operations style work, right? Police staff and so on and so forth. Macro industry level lens, what's changed since early pandemic studies, and when remote helps or hurts key moderators, right? And then the fourth point is practical recommendations for leaders. And then finally, we have limitations and cautions. Then it gives us conclusion. It has also given us all the resources which it has referred to while it has given us this article. Sources, what are the selections, right? Like what are the sources that it has selected while it wrote this particular article. And let's see if we are able to download this. And yes, we've got it. Let's open this up. So the entire article is available in docs format as we asked for. Of course, whether it is good enough or not, all of you can decide and let us know in the comments below. My opinion, I believe it has done a great job. But of course, I do not want to read it now and then give you any comments on that. But based on whatever details it has given, it looks good. Let's try something fun to see if ChatGPT 5 is still friendly like it was before. What's your favorite movie and why? If I had to pick, I would probably say The Matrix. Not because I'm secretly dreaming of wearing a long leather coat and dodging bullets in slow motion, although that would be a good look, but because it's all about questioning the nature of reality, making choices when you don't have all the answers, and realizing you can bend the rules if you understand them deeply enough. Plus, it has that perfect mix of philosophy, action, and just the right amount of ooh. Would you like me to tell you which character from the Matrix you would be based on your work style? Interesting. It's having some fun with us, and that's good. So, one of the reasons why GPT-5 had backlash was it wasn't able to solve simple linear equations. So, let's test that out and see if they have improved anything. So, we're giving this one, that is solve 5.9 equals to x. It should have been x plus, and let me click on send. And there you go. So let's solve it step by step. We have 5.9 equals to x plus 5.11, not 11, and subtract 5.11 from both sides. That is x equals to 5.9 minus 5.11. Now calculate, convert to 100. That is 5.90 minus 5.11. Subtract 590 minus 511 equals to 7900. So x equals to 0.79. And this is actually correct. So OpenAI has resolved the issues because this was the exact example a few users had tried, and they put it on social media. Good to see that they've already resolved this, and hopefully multiple other issues. And obviously, if this answer would have come wrong, anybody would get annoyed because this was supposed to be the smartest AI out there, as per Sam Altman and OpenAI. And if it cannot resolve this particular linear equation, then that's dumb. Now let's have some fun. And I'm going to ask it to make me a simple 2D car racing game that works in the browser. It should have a racetrack, one car controlled by arrow keys, and one AI controlled car that moves automatically. Include a timer to see how fast the player can finish. Keep the graphics bright and fun. Let's see, let's have some fun. And while this is happening, let's try the same thing out on Grok. Let's try the same prompt on Grok as well. AI controlled, basically. And let this be auto. Let's hit enter. Let's see what's happening here. Okay, it's writing the code. Let's quickly shift here to see what's happening. Same thing, it's writing the code. Let's see what happens. GPT-5, running. Grok, running. There you go. How is that able to go and I'm not able to go? Okay, Grok is ready. Let's see what happens over here. It's still going on. Let's see what is the output, because Here, as you can see, the blue car is going forward, but the red car, I'm not able to go forward. It's stuck. Come on. Can I restart? Let me refresh this. It's not going. It's not coming back. It can rotate. I can go only on the road, but it can go anywhere. That's not fair. Okay, let's go here. It's still writing. I hope since it has taken so much time, it generates something much better than what Grok did. Arrow. Oh yeah, okay. Stuck here. Arrow finally came out. Hey, I'm supposed to go on the road. Ha, okay. And lap time? Oh, okay. 0.01 seconds. That's not right. Let's see what happened here. Oh, it's done. And I can run the code from here. Let's see what happens. I'll click on allow. Allow. I can click on start. This didn't even start. I mean, the track looks good, everything looks good, but it doesn't start. Okay, so you can decide which one was better. While the track and everything looked perfectly fine on ChatGPT, better than what Grok had done, but this doesn't even start. While here, we at least had the car going on the track. Okay, let's go back and test something more. So I'm going to create a basic platformer game inspired by Super Mario that works in the browser. It should let the player move left, right, and jump across platforms, collect coins, and avoid enemies. Include a score counter and a game over screen when the player loses all lives. Keep the graphics bright, colorful, and the gameplay simple and fun. Let's say I'll do the same thing over here as well. Let's see what happens. And it's already ready. How do I jump, man? Oh, okay. And jump there. Ouch. It's been a very long time since I played. Being very bad. Can I jump here? No. Let me try one more time. No. Okay. So it says lives 3. Let me go here. What's happening here? Thinking longer for a better answer. Let's see what it does. This has been super fast. I have lives, so let me try to. Oh. Yep. Let's see. Okay, it has given us something. Awesome. Here's a self-contained, bright and colorful platformer. You can drop into an HTML file and open. Okay, so now it is writing the code and we have it over here. It's still writing. Let me give one more try here. Is it done? Not yet. It didn't work the last time. Let's see if it does the same thing this time. Okay, not yet. It's still writing. Okay. Game time for me. Oh, finally. Yay. Woo. What am I supposed to do now? Game over. Score 30. Okay. Let's see what happens here. It's still writing code. Oh, finally. Let's try this out. So I copy this and create a text file. So I'll put the code here, save it, and save it as html.html. So let me open this. Okay, this looks better, but I hope it starts. Okay. Oh, this is definitely better than Grok portion. And very close to Mario. Okay, yeah, definitely. This game, I believe, ChatGPT 5 has come out with better result. And can I move ahead? Nope. It comes here. Okay. Okay. So And I have got how many lives? One is gone. Gone. Game over. Okay. Let's get back. So let me give a image of mine and ask it to generate some thumbnail. I'll do the same thing with Grok as well. So I'll add a prompt like create a thumbnail image showing me standing in the river in the Amazon rainforest, holding a giant live python that is wrapped around me, looking like it's strangling me. Make the scene dramatic and intense with lush jungle background and vivid colors. The style should be eye-catching and suitable for a YouTube thumbnail about an adventure live python encounter. Oh, wow. Okay, let me do the same thing on Grok. While Grok is much faster in generating whatever we asked for, I believe at least the second game, ChatGPT version was better. Okay, Grok has already given me the result. Let's see what ChatGPT is doing. It's still generating. Oh, this is very scary. And in this, I'm laughing as though it's just some chain. Let's see ChatGPT. And as always, Grok has been much faster. But let's see the results. As we have seen in multiple cases, ChatGPT 5 is taking much longer compared to Grok. But I hope results will also be in the same manner. Oh, yeah. This looks much better. This result is much better compared to what we got on Grok, for sure. Right? Do you agree? Okay, cool. So what the wait? So the next one is image restoration. Let's quickly check how this works. And a very simple prompt. Restore this. Let me do the same thing on this one as well. So I'm going to get this image and I'm going to say restore image. I wouldn't be surprised if Grok gave me the results already while ChatGPT is still thinking. Yeah, you can see. Okay, this is not restored at all. What is Grok trying to do here? Okay. Let's see if ChatGPT 5 has any better results. Oh, you can see this, right? Completely restored. And Grok was not able to do that. But one thing though I have to mention is that I have a paid version of ChatGPT while I don't have a paid version of Grok. That could also be one of the reasons. So here's my honest opinion. A lot of users could have tested this in the free plan, and also with over a week now since they launched, they have already corrected all the issues that were reported on social media. And since I have a paid version of ChatGPT, the results could have been better as against to the free plan on Grok. So I know that it's not a fair comparison, but the main reason that I wanted to do this video is to understand how powerful ChatGPT is. And I believe it has done a great job in terms of multiple things that we tested out. The only thing that I was disappointed was the first game, which didn't even play. But otherwise, it actually did a great job. Especially the photo restoration, that was picture perfect, right? I would like to hear your opinion on all the tests that we did. So please do let me know in the comments below of what you think about the results. Those of you who have still not subscribed to the channel, please do so, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.